All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the landscape 4x6 photo preset. So I'm going to go back to Google and we're still going to do Grand Canyon Skywalk. But what I want to do is I want to go to settings and let's set the, hit cancel for a second. Let's go to the, they should give me a, let's click on all for a second. Okay, and then go to images and let's do I'm just trying to specify the resolution. We'll just grab this one right here. So go to the Grand Canyon West Rim by Luxury Limo and we're just going to right click on this and save the image as, and we'll just hit save. I'll click right here, open it up in the downloads and then double click it. And then we're going to right click on it and open it in Photoshop. Okay, now I'm going to hit Control A, Control C, and we're going to go to File, New, Photo, Preset, and we're going to go to Landscape. Where are you here? Landscape, and we're going to do 4x6. Okay, so I'm going to hit Create. I'm going to hit Control V to paste that in. And you can see that even this picture is a little small for this size, which is fine. So we're just going to drag it out and fill it in. And I'm going to just do a little more. There we go. And then we're going to hit Control Shift S. Okay, maybe not. Let's do File, Save As. And we're going to do 02 Landscape 4x6. Okay, I'm going to hit Save. And there you go. So that's what the landscape 4x6 looks like. And it really gives you a better idea when you have an image in there so you can see kind of what the size is. Now, if we go to pixels real quick, you can see what the resolution is of this. So it's 1800, the width, and then the height is 1200. Okay, so that's a good size image for that, and it's a very good quality image. And like I said, these images that I'm using are only for educational purposes, so it's okay that we're going on there and using them because it's just for an example. So there you go. So that is the 4x6 landscape preset. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.